Hello guys, this is Millicent Terra again. I am happy to be with you here on my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to do a 2-strand twist, so stay tuned as I do this. So I'll take a strand and place it like this. Then I twist one side going backwards and the other one coming inside. Then I place it on my thumb like that. Then I start feeding in. I take a braid, place it there, then twist outside, then the other one twist inwards, and then I place it again on my thumb. I continue adding. I place my strand there, hold it with my thumb, then I twist outwards, and then the other one inside. I place it on my thumb. I hope you are following what I'm doing. I take a braid, place it there, I twist going outwards, then on the other side I twist inwards, then I place it on my thumb, and again I hold it with my thumb. Remember, you are going to continue adding the size of the braid as you go on until you reach the size that you want. So this is the size I wanted, so I'll continue twisting till the end. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this. If you like it, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's meet next time. Bye.